Brush your teeth, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase, brush your teeth. This phrase is not only essential for daily conversation but also crucial for personal hygiene. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily life. Brush your teeth is a straightforward phrase that instructs someone to clean their teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. It's a routine part of personal hygiene practiced worldwide. The word brush here is used as a verb, meaning to clean or apply using a brush. The phrase is often used by parents reminding their children in general discussion about morning or bedtime routines. This phrase is commonly used in two contexts. First, as part of daily routines, especially in the morning and before going to bed. It emphasizes the importance of dental care. Second, it's used in healthcare and educational settings to teach or remind about oral hygiene. For example, a parent might say to a child, "It's bedtime, have you brushed your teeth?" In a dentist's advice, brush your teeth twice a day to prevent cavities. There are a few variations of this phrase that you might hear. For example, brush your teeth before bed. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Have you brushed your teeth yet? These variations convey the same message but might be used in slightly different contexts or tones. Let's practice using this phrase. Try forming sentences with brush your teeth and think about different times you might use them. For example, how would you remind someone in the morning? Or what would a dentist say during a checkup? That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, brush your teeth. Remember, it's more than just a phrase. It's an essential part of daily hygiene. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and in maintaining a healthy routine. Keep practicing, and don't forget to brush your teeth